Hello everyone and welcome back to Techavro. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm gonna be talking about on how you can upload shorts on YouTube. So you might notice that when you upload a video, it's not turning into shorts, right? Like for example, where's a very short clip? Like this one right over here, right? It's 1 minute and 6 seconds. Normally this would go up be uploaded as a short, right? Now, why did that not happen? Now, let me tell you why. In order to upload a short, your video dimension, as in the resolution for the video, must either be a 1:1 or it must be vertical. So instead of 1920 times 1080, it has to be 1080 times 1920 so that it's vertical, right? And then the duration of the video must be between 15 seconds. It can be less than 15 seconds, it doesn't really matter, to 60 seconds, or sometimes it could be a bit longer than 60 seconds. I've seen shorts that are like 1 minute and 30 seconds long. And then finally, for the video title, write hashtag shorts at the end just to get a better reach and everything, you know. That's about it. That's how you can upload shorts on YouTube. So I mean, if you go to my channel over here, this is what I'm talking about. This video over here, it's a vertical, it's less than a minute. It's more than a minute actually. No, it's less than a minute, my bad. Yeah, this is a short. You need to make sure it's vertical. If it's horizontal, then it's gonna upload as a normal YouTube video. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.